play on the radio when I was sick. Guitar man with that bright blues lick. It sounded like the blues, but it didn't bring you down. I remember how I was kind of feeling low, but after hearing that song, I wanted to get up and go. It had a catchy tune and it made everything alright. I was sitting at my desk with other work to do, but found my guitar strumming a lick or two, and all of a sudden the blues sounded like boogie.
Hello, rail fans. We were down in the Crawford, Callahan area this past weekend. It was the 3rd of March, and we had just pulled up. Didn't have time to get the tripods or anything out. I was having a scanner issue, and I did not understand at the time. Heard the train horn blow, and the best I could do is hop out with the camera and try to make my way across those rocks to get a little better view. As you'll see during this video, there's a lot of wind today. I mean, it was extremely windy. It was so windy that it was hard to fly the drones. So we have still shots on the drone, except for one toward the end, where you'll see how bad the camera was shaking. After this train passed, we went ahead and got the drone out and decided to take some still shots of the track and the way the area looks. And so, as this train passed and got back to the truck, I really wanted to do some train yards, but it was too windy on this day, so I settled for this shot of the Crawford Diamond. That's looking towards Wood Lane, looking west. That is CSX tracks going to Baldwin. And that is the one that's going south to Jacksonville on Norfolk Southern. That's the 301 bridge over the track. And another shot of Crawford looking west. You can watch the aerial on my truck antenna, and also you'll see it in some trees after a while, how windy it was. This is CSX coming up out of the Callahan sub onto the track that'll head up to Folkestone, and about 10 miles south of where that train came from is where the Crawford interlock is. Very easy to watch the top of those trees in these frames here to see how much wind was blowing. I mean, it was really a tough day for wind. There's a shot looking north on the double track going to Folkestone. Those are the two tracks coming in from Baldwin on the turnouts. The intersection at Brandeis Avenue and River Road. This is looking southwest towards Jacksonville. This is looking towards Callahan. And there's yours truly sitting in the truck. this shot and included it because it was just too windy. I kept getting an error on my drone saying the gimbal motor was overloaded, and as you'll notice, there's a lot of shake on this camera, and it was trying to correct. I was wanting to fly down there, get close to the trees, away from the wind, and get a better shot of those turnouts, but maybe next time. CSX northbound. And as always, just wanted to say thanks for watching this part of the Crawford Callahan video. And these are some stills that I took of that intersection at Callahan, Brandeis Avenue. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.